Every day gives you an opportunity to fix something, even though some people could say that life is not fair. Here at Smart Depot Tech, we believe that life gives you opportunity to fix something, and that's why we have our special Saturday Fix It. And this week we have series of fix on our decks, and we're asking you, which fix do you want us to fix first? We have several fixes here on the deck. So one of them is a remote control for air condition from Blue Gate. So this remote control, the battery was left in it for a while, and what is the outcome? You can see clearly everything is gone. So we had to open this remote because this is the first on a series of fix. We want to even know whether it's worth it fixing it, whether it will be possible to fix it. And when we opened up everything, we discovered that can we do that? We have to test the circuit to be able to see whether we will get current. Of course, let us know in the comment section if you want to see this fixed as the first fix of our next Saturday Fix It, where we'll give you all the full detail. The circuit was on, and then we went ahead to build a kind of contact for the batteries. And of course, as usual, we were able to fix it. So if I found the infrared remote control with my Xiaomi phones that have this infrared, I couldn't have bothered to fix it, but I couldn't find that, so we have to fix it. Now, the next one on our fix is one of my special earphone. Like, this earphone is superb in terms of the quality, in terms of the sound. Let me give you an example of how you wear it. You wear it from the back, like this, it goes into your ear, and that's it. So it blocks out all the noise, and great. It has two cone drivers that produce one bass, one treble. It's very, very, very wonderful. But the problem is that I think one of my daughters decided to do a chewing competition. So it's half broken and one of the ears is not talking. And I can't live with an earphone that one of the ears is not talking. So we're going to fix this too. So you want to know how to fix that? You can also drop earphone, and then it will be the fix we're going to bring out this Saturday on Fix It. Remember, Fix It, Saturday Fix It is exclusive on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/@smartdepot.tech. So go follow us on YouTube, go subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on notification bell icon. Then the last one is this one. So this is a special 2-meter micro USB cord that I've used for over 5 years. Now, it is so special, but the moment I started sharing with people, give me. So when I started sharing with people, give me, they broke the mouse stopped working. And I've already bought other cords, but I've not been able to get the one that is this long and still have this quality. So what did I say? Then I ordered these pieces. This is the way it looks. So I'm going to put up a new one. There are still one or two things to quickly fix. We believe that fixing things will help people. There is no way you keep buying everything. If you have a soldering iron, that's basically, and lead, that's basically all it requires to fix things. Like this also is my mini. This is an old phone battery, and this is a power bank panel. So look at it. It lights up. And then you can actually, I use this thing for this LED here. There are LED behind this guitar, and it's too flat. Just use the tape to hold it at the back of it. So there are a whole lot of things I saw there. But the essence, remember, the essence of Saturday Fix It is to show you that there are a lot of things that you can actually fix if you know how to use a soldering iron and a lead. That's just that. You can fix a lot of things. So let me hear from you in the comment section. Which one do you want us to fix first? Which one do you want to see first on our Fixes Saturday coming this Saturday? Of course, the subsequent ones will have other fixes. And you can also make a request. If you're a member of our channel on YouTube, you can make a request. Tell us that you want to see how to fix this. And if it is something that's within the range of what we can afford and fix, we'll fix it and publish the video. And it will be useful for everybody out there. So cannot wait to see you on Saturday Fix It. Do like, share this video, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also follow us on all the social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And until I see you in the next one, it is peace. Subscribe. I'll see you.